Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This is another full body yoga workout stretch for beginner flexibility. This will be about 10 minutes long, no props needed. Big toes together, knees are apart. Walk your hands forward. Soften down. Bring your forehead to the mat. Bring your awareness to the present moment, to the breath. Arrive. Walk your hands over to the right. Place the left hand on top of the right, a little bit farther away so that you get that nice long side body reach. Smooth out the breath in and out through the nose. Walk your hands through center and over to the left. This time the right hand is on top and a little bit farther away for that reach and lengthen the side. Relax the right shoulder down and smooth out the breath. Let's walk back to center. Lift up enough so that you can tent your fingers. Start to press down like you're poking holes in the mat. Adjust and keep that engagement as you bring your forehead down, feeling the shoulders, some energy in the upper body. Relax the wrists. Bring your thumbs to touch behind your neck. Present moment. Tabletop. Bring your knees underneath the hips, hands are shoulder width. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, look forward. Exhale, round, scoop the tailbone, tuck the chin. Neutral spine. Tuck the toes, hover the knees, just an inch off of the mat. Feel the feet stretching. Feel the thighs engage. Keep your breath, your expression calm. Downward facing dog, pedal it out. Feet are hip width, hands shoulder width. Index fingers point straight ahead. Let the rest of the fingers splay out. Look between your hands and walk to the top of your mat. Bring your toes and heels together, bend the knees so you can drape over the legs. Round up to standing. Create good posture, lengthen the tailbone down, core draws in, palms touch, connect to the present moment, to your breath. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Keep them shoulder width, elbows soft, palms face each other. Inhale as you look up between the hands and reach, lift again. Exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Halfway lift, long, flat back, knees can stay soft, I say that a lot. And from here, hands down, step it back to a plank pose, also known as the top of a push-up. Engage the thighs, press the mat away, pull in the core. Lower all the way down to the mat. Rest your forehead on the left hand, pull the right foot in toward the glute for a quad stretch. Press your pelvis into the mat. If you can't reach your foot, you're just going to lift and work it there. It'll happen. Switch side. And release. Press up to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Try to find some stillness as you press the heels down. Press the hands away from you, shoulders away from the ears. Nice long back. Look between the hands and walk to the top of your mat. Toes and heels together. Relax over the legs. Press to stand. Arms overhead. Bring the palms to touch. Look up at your hands. Reach up again. And exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift. From here, hands down, plank pose. Downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, press them down. Lower your knees to the mat. One cat-cow. Tops of the feet are down. Inhale, arch. Ow. Exhale, round. Mosquitoes. Neutral spine. Sit back on your heels. Bring your feet out around in front of you. Place your hands by your sides. The knees do not have to straighten. Just do your best to sit up tall. You can use your hands or blocks to help lift. Maintain that lift. Inhale, reach up with both hands and forward fold over your legs. Round up to seated. Place the soles of your feet on the mat. Your hands are behind you for a reverse tabletop. Try not to let the knees splay. Press down and lift. If it's okay with your neck, you can let the head go back. And sit down, soles of the feet together, knees apart for butterfly. Hold on to the outsides of your feet. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, forward fold over your legs. Sit up, turn to face the long edge of your mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over, side body stretch. Try not to lean forward. You're going to bring the shoulder back slightly to keep this in the side. And lift out, switch your legs. Right foot in, left foot out. Take a moment to stand, sit evenly on both sit bones. Right arm up and over. And sit up. Bring your left foot in, sit up tall. Roll your shoulders back and down. Move the head and the neck around gently. And finish sitting up tall. Shoulders down and away from the ears. Bring your awareness back to the breath. Bring your palms to touch. Gratitude for your practice. Closing breath. Inhale, reach your arms wide and overhead. Inhale, lift up extra at the top. Lower your hands down. Palms touch at heart center or by your sides. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. Let me know if you liked this with a like, a comment, a share, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste. Na ma stay. Na ma stay.